Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an eFootball 2024 modded version with unlimited resources on iOS and Android. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, guys, I got so much money right there. So if you're poor in the eFootball 2024, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. Is super insane, guys, and fully works. So as you can see, guys, I got so much money. What the heck, guys? It's so cool. So let's get right into the video. Guys, so as you can see, I got so much money there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So basically, the first step is to go onto this site called ZooMods, right? And this is like a modded website, if that makes any sense. So let me just type it in right here. And once you're on the site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and type in eFootball. And as you can see, oh my gosh, I can't spell. As you can see, it says eFootball 2023 mod. Now, this is actually the 2024 one, but they just never changed the name, I guess. But I have it installed, as you saw, so it does work. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. And if you go to the search bar and type in eFootball, as you can see, guys, it's super expensive, which is why I don't encourage you guys to spend money on this game. So as you can see, guys, here it is. So be sure to try this out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Be subscribed to the channel because this is super insane, guys. It fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. Totally updated for iOS and Android devices. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So get the word out about this method. I mean, it doesn't require a jailbreak or anything, which is awesome. Yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is just go to the ZooMods, and you're gonna be good to go, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So yeah, peace out, guys, because this is super cool and it's updated and everything. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome, totally working method, and it is updated for all devices in 2024. So yeah, pretty epic, right? So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and peace out, my dudes.